Hey there, home cooks! Ready to take your kitchen game to the next level? Meet the Ninja Smoothie Bowl Maker, the ultimate tool for creating thick blends like smoothie bowls, nut butters, and frozen desserts. Let's dive into what makes this gadget a must-have. First up, the powerhouse motor. With 1200 to 1600 watts of raw power, it crushes frozen fruits, nuts, and ice effortlessly. Say goodbye to lumpy textures and hello to smooth, creamy perfection. Next, check out these specialized blades. They're designed to prevent overblending so you get the perfect consistency every time. Whether it's a thick smoothie bowl or a velvety nut butter, you're in control. And here's the magic touch smart features like Auto IQ preset programs. Just hit a button and the Ninja does the rest. It takes the guesswork out of blending, so you can focus on enjoying your delicious creations. Compact design? Absolutely. It's small, practical, and fits perfectly in any kitchen, even if you're short on space. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Easy to use, easy to clean, what's not to love? But it doesn't stop at smoothie bowls. Think smoothies, nut butters, frozen desserts, and more. This versatile appliance has you covered for all your blending needs. Control your ingredients, avoid added sugars, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Smoothie bowls are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a win-win. Now let's address some common concerns. Yes, it can be a bit loud, but that's just the sound of power. It gets the job done quickly, so the noise is only temporary. And if you're making a big batch, blend in smaller portions for the best results. Durability? This kitchen appliance is built to last with quality materials and construction you can trust. So what are you waiting for? Visit the link below to learn more and grab your Ninja Smoothie Bowl Maker today. Transform your kitchen and enjoy the healthy, delicious benefits right at home. Click now and start blending your way to a better you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more kitchen tips and tricks. Catch you next time.